What did the world look like before the first sunrise, before the stars, before the oceans, before life itself? There was a time when nothing existed as we know it, before the mountains stood, before the rivers flowed, before any creature breathed. The earth was empty, silent, covered in darkness. But even in the darkness, God was there. The Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. Then God spoke. The silence of creation was broken by a single command, and God said, "Let there be light." And instantly, darkness began to disappear. Light filled the world. For the very first time, God separated the light from the darkness. He called the light day, and the darkness night. And the first day was complete. On the second day, the world was still covered by water. Then God separated the waters. Some remained below. Others were lifted high above. Between them appeared a vast blue sky. For the first time, heaven and earth were no longer one. On the third day, dry land rose from the sea. Mountains appeared. Valleys stretched into the distance. Then grass began to grow. Flowers bloomed. Trees reached toward the sky. The empty world was becoming a home for life. On the fourth day, God filled the heavens with lights. The sun ruled the day. The moon watched over the night. Countless stars sparkled across the sky. From then on, every day had its rhythm. The oceans were no longer silent. Fish filled the seas. Great whales swam beneath the waves. Above them, birds spread their wings and filled the sky with song. Life was everywhere. On the sixth day, the land came alive. Lions, elephants, sheep, and countless other animals wandered across the earth. Then God created the first man and the first woman. They were made in His image to care for the beautiful world He had created. At last, creation was complete. The skies, the seas, the land, and every living creature existed together in perfect harmony. God looked at everything He had made, and it was very good.